Hello viewers, this question I received from one of my students, so I want to quickly drop a solution on that. In the future, I will do a series on differentiation. So let me walk you through the process of differentiating a polynomial function like this. If I have y is equal to x to the power n, for instance, you can see y depends on x here, okay? So I hope you can see it. If I have y to the power x to the power n, y depends on x, so I can differentiate y with respect to x. So differentiating this guy y with respect to x is going to become as if this guy is falling behind. So you have nx, then removing 1 from this guy, you have n minus 1. This is the idea of differentiating this kind of power functions. So like this now, in this case, we have for a, we have y is equal to 10x to the power 6 minus 2x to the power 5 plus 4x4 plus 3. Differentiating this function with respect to x, so I have the y dx is going to become 6 times 10 will give me 60x. Then removing 1 from here, I have 5. Then minus 2 times 5 times 2 will give me 10x. Removing 1 from here, I have 4. Plus 4 times 4 will give me 16x. Removing 1 from here, I have 3. And lastly, when you differentiate a constant, it is 0. Okay. Now the next thing we want to differentiate this function again. So I'm applying the second derivative, which is differentiating y with respect to x again. So I'll have 5 times 6 will give me 300 x to the power 4, because I remove 1 from here again. Then 4 times 10 will give me 40 x to the power 3. Then 3 times 6 will give me 48 to the power x to the power 2. Okay, yeah, that is what it is. Now you see we have the second derivative for this guy, so let us get the third derivative right now. So I'll have that's for the b. Now to get the third derivative, just like differentiating this guy again, so I have the cube y the x cube will give me, if I differentiate this guy, I have 4 times 300, which will give me 1200 x to the power 3, because I remove 1 from here. Then 3 times 4 will give me 12, so I have minus 120 x to the power 2. Make sure you move 1 when you multiply out. So plus, of course, 2 times 48 is going to give me 96. Okay, I have 96 x to the power 1, because when I remove 1 from here, I'll just have 1. So the same as 96x. Now at this point, we want to find the cube, the third derivative of y with respect to x when x is 2. So this is the third derivative of y with respect to x. So what this thing means is that when x is 2, I only just plug x to the 2 here. So I have that the third derivative of y with respect to x when x is equal to 2 becomes 1200, x is 2, so I have 2 cubed like this, minus 120 2 squared, then I have plus 96 2. Okay, so quickly let me take it over to the top here. So I have I quickly have 2 to the power 3 will give me 1200 times 8 minus 2 to the power 2 will give me 4, so I have minus 120 times 4. Then of course I have here plus 96 times 2. Okay, so you can easily use your calculator to figure out the final answer to this question. You multiply out these guys, multiply out these guys, and these guys. So in a moment, let me show you what it is. Here will give me 0, 0, 8 times 2 is 16. I write 6 carry 1. 8 times 8 is, so I have 96 here. I have here to be 0. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 1 is 4. Then I have 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 9 is 18 plus 1, 19. So when you subtract out these guys, please, because of time, that will be the third derivative of y with respect to x at x equal to 2. So just go ahead and complete the solution. That is how to do this problem. Hope you understand. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.